Experiencing no sound from your Sceptre monitor is a common frustration, but most issues stem from simple audio setting misconfigurations that can be easily resolved. The first step is to verify that your Sceptre monitor is selected as the default audio output device in Windows. Many users overlook this crucial setting. In the Sound Settings window, you need to verify that your Sceptre monitor appears in the Output Devices list and set it as the default if it isn't already selected. Don't forget to check the volume levels to ensure the audio isn't muted or set too low. This simple oversight causes many unnecessary troubleshooting sessions. Next, open Device Manager and expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Look for any Sceptre-related audio devices and check for yellow warning indicators. Yellow warning indicators signal driver issues that need attention. Update or reinstall the audio drivers if you see any problems. This resolves many audio compatibility issues. These basic diagnostic steps resolve a significant portion of Sceptre monitor audio issues. By systematically checking your default audio device, volume levels, and driver status, you can quickly identify and fix most common problems. When basic audio settings are correct, but you still have no sound, the issue often lies in your connection setup. HDMI cables must support audio transmission, which requires HDMI version 1.4 or higher. Try different HDMI ports on both your monitor and source device. Ports can fail individually, and some may not support audio. Test with a known working HDMI cable to rule out cable defects. Check your graphics control panel to verify HDMI audio output is enabled. This applies to NVIDIA Control Panel, AMD software, or Intel graphics settings. Audio over HDMI can be disabled in these control panels, even when Windows shows the device. As an alternative solution, you can use a 3.5mm auxiliary cable to connect directly to your monitor's audio input or your computer's audio output. This bypasses HDMI audio entirely and provides a reliable backup option. For persistent issues, restarting the Windows Audio Service can resolve deeper system conflicts. You can do this through the Services Management Console or by using administrative commands. Advanced users can reset audio components using PowerShell commands. Run PowerShell as administrator and execute specific commands to reset the audio subsystem and clear cached audio device information. For long-term audio functionality, keep your drivers updated regularly. Ensure proper cable connections, and document working configurations. Regular maintenance prevents most audio issues from occurring in the first place.